Welcome to Pro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. We're talking about the ceramic cookware set, a massive 22-piece collection designed to equip your kitchen from everyday meals to elaborate feasts. Now, when you hear 22 pieces, it sounds like a lot, and it is. This set includes a variety of frying pans in sizes 6.3 inch, 8 inch, and a generous 11-inch. We also get saucepans, specifically a 1.9 quart and a 3.8 quart, perfect for sauces, soups, and boiling pasta. Then there are the casserole dishes, a 2.3 quart and a substantial 6 quart, ideal for stews, roasts, and baked dishes. But it doesn't stop there. They've even included a 10-inch crepe pan, which is a nice touch for breakfast lovers. Beyond the pots and pans themselves, this set comes with accompanying glass lids for most of the pieces, a selection of silicone utensils, a handy spoon rest, and a thoughtful 7-pan protectors to keep your new cookware in pristine condition when stacked. One of the most significant selling points here, and a crucial factor for many home cooks, is the material and safety aspect. This cookware boasts a ceramic coating that is 100% non-toxic and health-safe. It's explicitly stated as PFOS, PFOA, and Teflon-free. This is incredibly important as these chemicals have raised concerns in recent years regarding their potential health impacts. The ceramic coating promises a healthier cooking environment, and that's a big win in my book. The non-stick surface is another feature that really shines, quite literally. The premium ceramic coating is designed for superior food release. This means your eggs will slide right off, your pancakes won't stick and tear, and cleaning up after a meal should be a breeze. No more spending ages scrubbing burnt-on food. This is a feature that truly impacts the daily usability of cookware. Durability is also a key consideration, and this set aims to deliver. It features a heavy-gauge aluminum core. This core is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. This means no more hot spots where one part of your food burns while another remains undercooked. Secondly, this sturdy construction should contribute to the longevity of the cookware. Compatibility is another strong suit for this set. It's designed to work on all stovetops, which is fantastic. Whether you have an induction hob, a gas stove, or a traditional electric cooktop, this cookware is ready to go. The even heat distribution, facilitated by that aluminum core, is particularly beneficial for induction cooktops, which can sometimes be picky about cookware. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this extensive set. On the pro side, the sheer value is undeniable. A 22-piece set with this many components, including utensils and protectors, at a competitive price point is hard to beat. The emphasis on non-toxic, PFOA-free ceramic coating is a major plus for health-conscious individuals. The non-stick performance, if it lives up to its promise, will make cooking and cleaning significantly more enjoyable. The versatility in terms of pan sizes and types, including the crepe pan, caters to a wide range of culinary needs. Furthermore, the universal stovetop compatibility, especially for induction users, adds significant appeal. However, there are always a few things to consider. With such a large set, storage can become a challenge for those with smaller kitchens. You need to be prepared for where you're going to keep all these pieces. While the ceramic coating is generally durable, it can be more susceptible to scratches from metal utensils than some other types of non-stick surfaces, so using the included silicone utensils or investing in wooden ones is advisable. Also, while the aluminum core provides good heat distribution, it might not retain heat as well as cast iron or stainless steel, which could be a factor for certain cooking techniques that require sustained high heat. Finally, the long-term durability of ceramic coatings can vary between brands, so while it looks promising, only time will truly tell how well it holds up after years of consistent use. In conclusion, this 22-piece ceramic cookware set from Pro presents a compelling package for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen or start from scratch. It offers a comprehensive collection of essential cookware, with a strong focus on health and safety thanks to its non-toxic ceramic coating. The non-stick capabilities, even heat distribution, and broad stovetop compatibility make it a practical and versatile choice for everyday cooking. While storage and the need for careful utensil use are factors to keep in mind, the overall value and feature set make this a contender worth considering for your home. Link in the description.